Ka-chow!
This is a right rear on a 2018 Subaru Forester. So we're going to take the caliper off completely. We could just take it as a whole, but we're going to take the two 14 caliper slide pins off. Okay, we're going to be kind of careful of our wheel speed sensor here. Okay, tiny little brake. It's so cute. This vehicle did not have an electronic parking brake, and if you're going to use a screwdriver to help here, make sure you don't scratch the rotors. Okay, now we're going to take off these two big guys right here, because those are for our caliper bracket. Okay, so right, left. Ah, oh, back brakes, I love you, you're so simple.
And are complex.
Subaru is known for lug studs being cross-threaded and braking because their pitch is M12 by 1.25, which is much finer than M12 by 1.5. So, are you ready for this? It's loud, sorry. So if these lug nuts are put on with anything other than hand tools, they tend to get messed up. Okay, let's compare. Okay.
Yeah, how much is gold?
And then I'm also going to check. Yep, perfect. Slide the new lug stud in at an angle, then use a much larger bolt as a spacer so you can pull the lug stud through the backside with the lug nut. Okay, and then we want to run one of these down, make sure it's still happy. Yep, okay. I do want to clean a couple of these threads up anyway. Okay. And then we can put this guy back on. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on these guys. And we're going to tighten those to 48 foot-pounds. So to put everything back, you're going to do the opposite. We'll include the torque specs. Also, you know, this car has 5 lug nuts and 5 lug studs. So without one, it's not the end of the world if you do have an emergency and need to wait to repair this till later.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.